Hello everyone, I am Margi Nayak from third year PharmD. Today I am going to discuss about the topic name is mannitol. There are some contents which I will discuss further in details. Introduction, classification, history, therapeutic use, mechanism of action, side effects, dose, route of administration, contraindication, interaction, patient counseling, and some practice quiz questions. Introduction. A sugar alcohol with a sweetish taste occur naturally in certain plants and algae and manufacture chemically via reduction of mannose for a use as a low-calorie sweetener in the food industry and medically as a diuretic. Brand name of mannitol is osmitrol. Drug class of mannitol is osmotic diuretics. There are some classification of diuretics: carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, osmotic diuretics, loop diuretics, thiazide diuretics, and potassium sparing diuretics. History of mannitol. The discovery of mannitol is attributed to Joseph Louis Poit in 1806. He was a French chemist. Mannitol obtained from manna, a natural sweet secretion from the manna ash. Today, mannitol is produced chemically via the hydrogenation of fructose, hydrolysis from starch and sucrose over a nickel catalyst. Mannitol has been offered as generally safe by a U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Therapeutic use of mannitol. Promotion of diuresis in the prevention or treatment of the oligouric phase of acute renal failure before irreversible renal failure become established. Reduction of intracranial pressure and brain mass. Reduction of a high intraocular pressure when the pressure cannot be lowered by another means. Promotion of urinary excretion of toxic materials. Mechanism of action of mannitol. Mannitol is completely filtered at glomeruli that increase osmolarity of renal tubular fluid that prevent reabsorption of water. Sodium dilution in retained water, less reabsorption of sodium. Urinary excretion of sodium, calcium, HCO3 that urinary pH not alter, that increase plasma osmolarity, draws fluid intra to extracellular space, acute expansion of intravascular fluid volume, that decrease brain bulk, increase renal blood flow to medulla. Oxygen radical scavengers that prevent cellular swelling, reduce renal tubule obstruction. There are some easy way to remember mechanism action of mannitol. There are 8 points. First, chemically inert. Second, freely filter at glomerulus. Third, increase osmolarity of tubule lumen. Fourth, decrease water reabsorption. 5. Site of action: descending loop of Henle and proximal tubule. 6. Increase urine volume. 7. Increase urinary water excretion. 8. No or very less nutritious. Side effects of mannitol: dryness of mouth, vomiting, thirst, runny nose, low blood pressure, electrolyte imbalance, thrombophlebitis, angina like chest pain, urticaria. Dose of mannitol: anuria, oligouria. Give test dose: 200 mg per kg IV over 3 to 5 minutes, then 0.5 to 1 gram per kg IV. Discontinue if no diuresis within 2 hours. Cerebral edema: 0.25 to 0.5 gram per kg IV every 4 to 5 hours. Route of administration of mannitol: it should be administered only by intravenous infusion. Contraindication of mannitol: known hypersensitivity to mannitol, pulmonary edema or conjunctivitis, heart failure. dehydration or acidosis, intracranial bleeding, anuria due to severe renal disease, including increased oliguria and interactions. Aminoglycoside, mannitol, proteatoxic effects. Lithium. Renal excretion of lithium may be increased. Neuromuscular blocking drugs. Effects of competitive or depolarizing neuromuscular blockers may enhance. Oral anticoagulant. Mannitol may reduce the effect of anticoagulant drugs. Digoxin. Increase risk of digoxin toxicity if mannitol administration produce hypokalemia. Antihypertensive may induce hyponatremia. Other drugs include sodium biphosphate, droperidol, fentanyl, methenamine, methylene blue. Patient counseling. This medication contains mannitol. Do not take osmitrol if you are allergic to mannitol or any ingredients contained in this drug. Keep out of reach of children. In case of overdose, get medical help or contact a poison control center immediately. There are some quiz questions. Which drug class is correct for mannitol? Osmotic diuretic, loop diuretic, thiazide diuretic, or potassium sparing diuretic? The answer is osmotic diuretics. Mark the incorrect option of therapeutic use of mannitol. Reduction of intracranial pressure, reduction of high intraocular pressure, reduction of brain mass, or increase intracranial pressure. Answer is increase intracranial pressure. Third, mannitol acts as which part of the glomerulus? Renal proximal tubule, descending limb of loop of Henle, A or B or none? The answer is A or B. Fourth, mannitol interact with except aminoglycoside, colloid infusion, oral anticoagulant, lithium. The answer is colloid infusion. Fifth, route of administration of mannitol: intravenous infusion, intramuscular infusion, oral infusion, sublingual infusion. The answer is intravenous infusion. Thank you.